In this video clip, we'll be attaching the sanding sheets. Before attaching a sanding sheet, you want to make sure and unplug your sander from the wall. Now on our sandpaper, we have two different sides. We have a rough side and we have kind of a fuzzy side with numbers on it. The fuzzy side with numbers on it is the side that goes down against the sander, and the rough side is the side that's actually going to touch your material and do the sanding on your material. Now on the bottom of the sander, you'll notice that there's a sequence of holes. These holes will feed into the dust bag. You'll also notice that on our sheet of sandpaper we have that same sequence of holes. Now for optimum dust collection, you want to make sure that when you put on that sheet of sandpaper, you line up those holes perfectly. Go ahead and press that in place, kind of wiggle it a little bit to make sure it gets on there firmly, and double check to make sure all of those holes are lined up.